Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I also stand to support the motion by my good brother, the Honorable Mutuse, in impeaching the person of the Deputy President of Kenya. Honorable Speaker, under unwarranted discrimination, in contravention of Article 27, Part 3 and 4 of the Constitution, the Deputy President has in so many occasions expressed that he only considers people he considers shareholders. Honorable Speaker, on the 2 occasions that the Deputy President came to Gusiland, on the first occasion while addressing leaders, he told us that the reason why, as Kisses, we should not demand for more things from the government is because we always vote for Mutu wa kitendawili, to quote him. On the second occasion, the Honorable Deputy President told us that siku hizi wa Kisii tumejaa jela kushinda wa Kikuyu. I'm wondering, Honorable Speaker, when did he do the statistics to note that sisi kama wa Kisii, we are the most criminals in this country? And Honorable Speaker, as I finish, I just want to remind the Deputy President. Yesterday, he spent a lot of time reminding us that he is an orphan. And yet he forgot that there is one orphan that the Deputy President kept saying that he has put for him mitego in State House. The Honorable Deputy President forgets that even the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga is an orphan. Why did he forget that he was putting for him mitego? I just want to tell the Deputy President that because of the utterances that you make against people of Kenya, you must go and you will go home. I thank you.